Here are top 5 ways that fasting helps with anti-aging. Number 5. Fasting activates autophagy, your body's natural cleanup crew. Autophagy is a scientific word that means self-eating. But don't worry, it's a good thing. When you fast, your body doesn't have food to digest, so it goes into maintenance mode and starts cleaning up damaged cells, getting rid of old cell parts that don't work well, and recycling them into fresh, healthy components. This process helps slow down aging because it reduces the buildup of junk in your cells that can lead to wrinkles, chronic diseases, and even brain fog. Think of it as spring cleaning for your cells. Number 4. Fasting lowers inflammation, the fire behind aging. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. But when it stays around too long, it starts to cause problems. Chronic inflammation is linked to almost every age-related disease. Arthritis, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even some cancers. Fasting helps your body reduce these inflammatory chemicals, which means less wear and tear on your joints, skin, and organs. With less inflammation, you feel more energetic, your skin looks better, and your brain works sharper. If you like this video so far, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. It helps motivate us to continue making videos like this. Number 3. Fasting helps regulate insulin and reduces your risk of age-related diseases. Every time you eat, especially sugary foods, your body releases insulin, a hormone that helps your cells take in sugar. But as we age, our cells become less sensitive to insulin, which can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and even damage to the skin and blood vessels. Fasting gives your body a break from constant insulin spikes and helps improve insulin sensitivity. This not only helps you stay leaner, but also protects your brain and organs from premature aging caused by high blood sugar. Number 2. Fasting supports hormone balance and increases human growth hormone HGH. Human growth hormone, HGH, is like your body's youth juice. It helps you build muscle, burn fat, and repair tissues. When you fast, especially for more than 12 to 16 hours, your body naturally boosts the production of HGH. This helps you stay stronger, recover faster, and preserve lean muscle mass as you get older. And since muscle loss is a big issue with aging, called sarcopenia, fasting is a smart way to help your body stay toned and active. On the days that you are not fasting anymore, you can eat anti-aging foods. We have attached a video about top 5 plant-based proteins for anti-aging. Click on it to learn more. Number 1. Fasting may protect your brain and increase longevity. Studies show that fasting stimulates the production of a brain chemical called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth of new brain cells and protects existing ones. This helps improve memory, focus, and mood, all of which can decline with age. Fasting also reduces oxidative stress, damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals, and supports mitochondrial health. Mitochondria are your cell's energy factories, and keeping them healthy means your body and brain age more slowly and stay more energetic.